If you're new here, my name is Joe Kemp and I live in Greene County, Indiana. And I got my coffee right here, so I'm ready to go. Get right into it. This video is gonna be a small home tour of our house, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So this is the back entrance, which is the one we use the most. It comes in from our screened-in porch, and this is our little entryway. This is our laundry room, and I have this table where I fold laundry. I need some bins to put in those little holes there in the table, but I don't have those yet. My husband just made that table a few weeks ago, so I am working on improving it, and so that is what's going on there. And this is our I guess it's our master bedroom. It doesn't have a bathroom, it's just the big bedroom, so it's ours. And our furniture comes from Big Lots, and our bed frame my husband made, so it's nothing fancy. Hopefully someday we can maybe have something a little bit nicer, but for now this works just fine. So this is our only bathroom in the house, and there's a lot of good things about it, but there could also be some improvements. Mostly we just kind of wish we'd have 2 bathrooms, but it's fine. It's a little house and it'll be fine. So the shower is nice and big, and then there's a separate tub, and everything is tiled basically, but I don't know, the grout is really brown and yellow, so I don't know what the best way would be to fix that, but if you have any ideas, I would love to hear about them.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
So this is Kinsley's room, but as you can see, there is a safe in here because it's the only other room we have, and we don't really have an office or anything. The desk is in the dining room right now, and it's just what we have to do for now. We did have it as an office slash storage room before Kinsley was born, but now it's our nursery slash safe room, I guess, because we have the safe in there and a few things like that. So yeah, that's the scoop on that room.
It continued both day and night. Noel, Noel,
What are you doing?
Noel.
And here on the table, we just have a really simple centerpiece. It's not a tablescape, I wouldn't call it necessarily. It's just our everyday table look. And I am hoping to do a tablescape yet, but the things I wanted to use haven't come yet. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on. So this is my coffee bar, and I'm constantly switching out the things on the top and the bottom, but I've had those bins ever since I got it, and those are from Target. And down here I just have some, syrups. Here's a cute little sign that my mom gave, and it turns on, like it has a little light right there. And then I have in these bins, I just have our coffee supplies, our coffee canister for when after Larry and roast the beans, then we put them in there because they need to be in like it needs to have a vent in there. So there's that. And over here we have some more supplies. There's some tea back there, and our filters, just a sign, and sugar canister, and our coffee grinder. And this one, it looks, very, I just threw these in here the other day because I was decorating and I wasn't sure when I was wanting to use them, so I threw them in here. And then we have these, we have extra coffee cups and filters for the K-cups. And then up here is our Keurig, which we use every day, and it needs water right now apparently. And then back here we have this little, you can't see it from the front, but it's back here, and I don't know why it's not focusing. It works really good. It's a extension, you can plug all kinds of things in there, but we don't have a good outlet behind the coffee bar, so we just use this, and then we can plug that in. And if I'm over here and I need to charge my phone, I can just plug my line into these little outlets, and it works perfect. So if you have an office, that would be like a really good thing to have. And we just got it on Amazon, and it's Anchor brand. So if you want to check it out, then I would definitely, I'll try to leave a link down below. I haven't figured that out yet, but how to do it, but I'm gonna try to learn this time. And here's a cute coffee sign that my mom got for my birthday last year. And there's just a little tree. And here is a board from some local friends that have a woodworking shop. They make those, and they also make a bigger size. So if you would like to have more information about those, just leave that in the comments. And there's a little sign, and here's our bigger coffee maker. And back here we just have ground coffee and cappuccino. So I'm probably gonna switch it up soon here because I'm just kind of tired of this look. I've had it for a little while now. But yeah, if you have any ideas for me of things that would look good up here, I do have some shelves I was gonna put up there and I haven't done that yet above there and add some stuff. So I guess we'll see if I do that this year or not. But I will let you know if I do come around to doing that, and maybe I'll include short little videos of, or short little clips of it if I change it up, and just to give you guys some inspiration maybe for your coffee bar.
Weakness is no stranger. Behold your King before him lowly bend. Behold your King before him lowly bend.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. I always enjoy when people leave comments, so be sure and do that. There's quite a few things that we still are planning to update or upgrade, and that is, well, the doors, some of the doors, like the front door and the back door. I was gonna paint them, but my husband said we're probably gonna get new doors. So I was just like, I don't know if it's worth my time to paint them if we're hopefully gonna get new doors before sometime this winter anyway. And the fireplace as well. Like that, I love fireplaces and I love mantles, but it really needs to be painted, and I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna do either white or black or both. I'm not sure exactly like what I'm gonna be painting what. I'm still thinking about it. There's about 3 different ideas I'm rolling around in my head of how I can do it or what I can do with it. So yeah, another thing is the bathroom. I don't really like I like the tile in the bathroom, like that there is tile, but I don't, it's just kind of yellow and old, and I would really like to either regrout it or paint all of it or something. I probably won't take it all out because that's a lot of tile and it would take a lot of time and a good amount of money. So we probably won't change it out, but at this point anyway, but I would kind of like to update it somehow. So if you have any ideas for that, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm thinking I'll put some before and afters in here in this video, and just some pictures of like when we bought the house and how it looks now, just to give you guys an idea of how much actually has changed. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Be sure and give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment on anything you'd like to see in the future. I would love that. And please subscribe. I would really enjoy that, and so that you can stay tuned for my next video. See you guys next week. Bye. Are you saying bye-bye? Okay, bye.